Hey you guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all the social media. And today is another vlog, and more like a sit chat type of vlog because I didn't record these past couple of days because I wasn't feeling the greatest. I talked about it last week because I wasn't feeling good at all last week either. But I have rheumatoid arthritis. If you don't know that, I have rheumatoid arthritis. So it's like the struggle gets real sometimes. And when it gets really, really real is when my husband doesn't start feeling well. He also has rheumatoid arthritis. So we just happened to get lucky, I guess. He got diagnosed not too long ago, so he is still in the process of finding a good mix of medication that works well for him. So it's been a little bit of a struggle. His pain obviously gets pretty bad. Mine gets pretty bad too, so we're just there together, aching and in pain. And also, I don't know if y'all are like, if y'all's husbands or significant others or anything like mine, it's like when I get sick, when I don't feel well, life goes on and I still do the things that I have to do unless I absolutely can't. And when I absolutely can't, that's just like me already fighting through all of the emotions and finally deciding I can't and I'm gonna get some rest. When my husband gets sick, he like mopes and complains and gets upset, and all he does is like lay down and sleep. And I'm like, I get it, you're in pain, but this isn't helping you. Like, you need to move a little bit. Like, so it's stressful, like kind of carrying it all, doing all the things kind of on my own. And it's really, really hard. And it takes a toll on me mentally. So it's hard. It's a struggle. But he actually just left. Oddly enough, he ain't sick to go to the games, to go watch the Spurs play, but he's sick to like do other things, you know. But no, I'm kidding. He took some medicine yesterday night and he started feeling a lot better, thank goodness. But I'm gonna eat right now. Actually already got off of work. I'm gonna post I guess you can say like a little montage, just a couple of clips from the past 2 days, technically 3 at this point, oh my god, that I was recording snips and bits, and then I was like, I can't, and I just stopped recording, or I recorded quite a bit and then I did an edit because I wasn't feeling well. So it's been a whole process, it's been a whole thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and share some of those clips just so y'all can see them, and then we'll just keep going with today. I'm not gonna do a whole ton today since I already have like clips and I don't want to make this video extra long, and I figured I could get done early with editing and upload it and hopefully get a head start for tomorrow. So I'm gonna eat. I have a chicken soup here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I have a chicken soup here with some little chips. Here it is, with some tortilla chips and rice. So I'm gonna eat this. This is gonna be my dinner since I haven't been feeling well. Whenever I don't feel well physically, my body, like, I think it's like anxiety because I get freaked out that like it's gonna last forever, although it never does. But I get scared that the pain's gonna get super bad and then I'm gonna have to miss work or whatever the case may be. I just get super anxious and my body starts freaking out. So my stomach starts hurting. I get nauseous. It's everything. So it's a whole thing. It's not just like my body aches. It's like my body also just suffers. So I got a tortilla soup delivered, and I'm gonna eat this for dinner. And I'm not gonna finish it because it's a huge bowl. Like, let me show you. It's big. So I'm gonna have a little bit. I should have probably put it in like a smaller bowl, but I don't want to, like, you know how when you pour something out and like put it in another bowl or another cup or whatever, like a lot of the juice comes out, like falls off. So I didn't want to do that. I wanted to actually eat more and drink more of the juice than anything, more of the broth. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat and chill. And then I brought a whole little bag of stuff. Let me show you all. Ooh, a whole little bag of stuff so you can see. And I also brought my computer. I have this crazy idea that I want to make like printables for myself. Or like kind of customize my own little planner for myself. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I get delusional sometimes. I have these hyperfixations that I have to like do. If not, I can't rest. So I figured I would try doing that. I even brought my computer down. So that's kind of what I'm going to spend time with. So since I don't really have anything else, I actually wrapped up gifts. I have just a couple more to wrap up. But other than that, I'm like just chilling. So I figured it would be a good, fun, chill night. I feel like every day is chill for me. I don't do anything. But anyways, I'll, you know, cue all the clips from the past few days that I didn't post. And this is probably why I've been feeling like crap, because it's rainy and the rain makes everything feel so crappy. My body is in so much pain, and this is why. And now I understand. I always blame it on myself, saying like, what's wrong? My medicine's not working. I freak out. And then shortly after, I see this rain. And it's been raining pretty hard. It's just slowed down a little bit for the past few minutes. So yeah, this answers everything.
That was a very tough season of my life. I would never do that to you. You guys, that's where I've been. Know how much I love Get Ready's with me. And I can't post that every week on YouTube. You know, long form content's different. When you've been doing—
I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup now. Later on, we are going, it's actually like in an hour, I believe. We'd have to leave here in like an hour and like 10 minutes because we are going to church bingo at his parents' church. They have events, especially like around the holidays, where it's like a church bingo to support the church, but also bring the community together. And they have like prizes and stuff. So it's pretty fun and we enjoy going. And my parents go also. So it's really nice to just get together. But I'm going to go ahead and get ready for that because I need to. It's time. And the first step in my routine is to put some, where's it at? Here it is. To put some, a little, what is this called? Primer. But I'm going to go ahead and speed this up because it's probably going to take a while. And I don't want this to be like a get ready with me. It's going to be a vlog. So I'll go ahead and just speed through it. And I can watch YouTube while doing this. Better at recording. Matthew's watching the game at church bingo, and we're having snackies because that's what we do at church bingo. What was that, Matthew?
Pass interference.
How, Matthew? Do it again. Anyways, it hasn't started yet, and my parents are on the way, so we're just hanging out, eating some nachos and chalupas. Five below kind of day. That's cute. Oh, let's slow down. Oh, they have the gingerbread houses, but I like the ones from Target better. But I mean, the ones from Target are like $7. So. But there's a lot and we still have time. Because we're not doing this till later.
we're doing it Saturday, aren't we?
No, Sunday.
Isn't it Sunday?
Yeah, in the evening.
What time in the evening?
As soon as you come home.
Oh, okay.
Look, they even have the little ornament. Today, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up gifts and kind of get all that, at least the ones that I have so far taken care of, because I need to figure out what I have and what I still need to get for like my family, specifically like the kids. So yeah, the time has come. It's time to wrap up gifts. So let's get it started. I hope y'all are doing well, and I hope y'all have gotten all of y'all's Christmas shopping out of the way, because I know like it like seems we have all the time, and seems like we have all the time in the world, and then before you know it, it's already time and we have to like, Christmas is gonna be here before we know it. So I gotta make sure to do this as soon as possible so I don't have to worry about it anymore. So let's go ahead and get it done. So one of the things that I want to do today during my I have nothing to do time is I had gotten this Bible for Christmas last year, and I love it, but I've been using my old Bible, which is this one, because honestly this is going to be so silly, but because it's softbound, I didn't realize how much I would not like a softbound Bible. And then also because I put these really cute tabs on it, but I kind of don't like the way they look. And I know like this color, this light is harsh, but I know this is something so like simple, and like this is like as far as like looks go, but I want to remove them. I don't know how that's gonna go. I did grab my undo, so hopefully this works out, because I don't know how it's gonna go. I do know that like undo works, like I've used it all the time in my planners, but it does make me a little scared because this is like, I'm gonna be doing this in a Bible, but also it's like a Bible that is pretty expensive, and that was gifted to me by my mother-in-law, so I am a little nervous about that, but it's gonna be okay. We'll just go for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and point the camera this way and have y'all see if I mess up or if it works out. So wish me luck. Okay, hey guys, I got tired of sitting on the floor. I was like, my knees weren't having it. So I sat on the couch, and I'm almost done with doing all of this. It's kind of looking a lot better, but I have to say, like, some of the pages got super sticky, like with all the sticker residue, but when I'm going back and like placing the tab again, I'm trying to remove as much like sticker residue as I can, but it's looking a lot better, I have to say. Like, I don't know what I was thinking when I thought I should like do it the other way. I don't know, but it looks a lot better, and I'm so thankful that it does, because I was like, no, I ruined my Bible, but it looks a lot better, so yay. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this out, and also I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Honestly, I've just been all over the place. I haven't been a good vlogger. I'm gonna do better, that's for sure, now that I'm feeling a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit this vlog and upload it so y'all can actually watch the few days that I didn't post. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.